In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy store banner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your shop look polished and on brand. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the official Etsy link to head to the site. If you aren't already signed in, log into your seller account so you can access your shop tools. Once you're in, go to your account menu at the top right and choose Account Settings. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager, which is where you manage everything related to your storefront. On the left sidebar inside Shop Manager, look for the Sales Channels section. Next to your shop's name, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click that pencil to open your shop customization area. This is where you control your banner. If you don't currently have a banner, you'll see a plus symbol. Click the plus symbol to add one for the first time. If you're updating an existing banner, click the pencil icon that appears directly on the banner image. That tells Etsy you want to replace or edit what's already there. Now, choose your new banner image. You can click Add an image to browse your computer, or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area. If you need to remove the old banner first, click the trash can icon to clear it before you upload the new one. For best results, pick a high-resolution image that aligns with your brand's look and colors. Keep the focal point near the center so it doesn't get cropped on different screens, and make sure any text is large enough to remain readable. After the image uploads, you'll see a preview. Take a moment to check how it looks across the full width and make any adjustments available in the editor. Look for clean edges, good contrast, and a clear message. If your banner contains seasonal content or promotions, confirm that dates and details are current. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the changes to your shop. Give the page a quick refresh and view your storefront to confirm the update. If you don't see the change immediately, it may take a moment to propagate. You can also open your shop in a private window to preview it as a visitor would. That's it. Your new Etsy shop banner is live. Keep your banner consistent with your brand, update it for key seasons or launches, and revisit it periodically to ensure it stays fresh and informative.